Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Try TV. Jason here, and today we bring you an unboxing and I guess an installation or putting it on of an item we found at BJ's Wholesale. This is the Berkley Jensen Universal grill cover. You can see here that it says with zipper with quick security, keeps moisture out, UV protection, low temperatures, and 100% money guarantee. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this and actually test it out here on the grill cover that I currently have, or replace the grill cover that I currently have. Hopefully it fits everything correctly. You can see that this one is way worn out, and it's due for a change, due for an update at least. Before we get started though, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Like, and let's move forward. So let's do a little quick 360 of the box. So here we go. Okay. And it's basically the exact same thing in the back there. Yep, looks like it. Yeah, same thing. All right, cool. Looks like, how big is this thing? I forgot to check. Where is the size of the... It's right in the front, sorry. It says fits most grill brands up to 65 inches, which I believe this should be okay. I have a Traeger's grill here, and it is the grill cover, at least. It's all old and dried out. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Nice and easy right here on the top. Come on. All right, and just to let you guys, everyone know, we actually got this on sale at BJ's. It was $19.99 with I believe it was $5 instant savings. So that was really nice. Okay, and okay, it's just that. Okay, it's just the mat. It looks like nothing else inside. Yep. All right, give me a second. Let me open it up real quickly. All right, there we go. And you can see it's nice. It's very large, actually. Here at the corners, it has some little straps here, Velcro straps. Nice zippers right there. And I did measure it out with the tape. You can see right there, reading 64 inches wide. Velcro on the other side to get a nice strap in. Another set of zippers there. Inside looks... It feels good. It definitely feels thick, so that's nice. Nice material, for sure. It's slick out here. I'm sure it's waterproof. Let's measure out the grill here. Make sure that it is at least smaller than 64 inches. Here we go. Oh yeah, definitely a lot less. It looks like it's only about 60 inches, so great. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the old one and install it or place it onto there. You can see there. And what it looks like. All right, I took out the cover, the original one down there. Man, and like I said, this is dried out like crazy. It is cracking everywhere. So it did its job, and now it's time to replace it. Hopefully this one fits it just fine. Onto our Traeger's grill here. It is a fairly large. It's pretty wide, but let's see. Hold on, let me see the tape measure. It's showing about 24 inches, 25 inches wide. So hopefully that's not an issue with the new grill cover here. I'm going to install it now, and we can see how it looks like. Give me a sec. All right, you guys. So there you go. You can see that I put it on there zipped. It does look like it's going to fit just fine. The cover is very large, actually, so that is very nice. And then one thing I did notice, actually, you can see that there is handles on each side as well. That's very, very nice. They feel good. And it's great because usually the zippers are in the center, which kind of makes it kind of difficult. These zippers are actually face forwarding. So that's really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and close it up fully and see what actually the end results look like, and see if I could even close down using the straps down there in the bottom. So give me a sec. All right, there you go, you guys. And it fits like a glove. After zipping it up and even using the Velcro straps down there, you can see. Let me get you a little closer view. See right there? It fits like a glove. It looks great, I think. That's the rear right there. Nice large. Let's see. Let's do the pull test. It's a bit loose, actually. So I wonder if that's going to be an issue with the wind, or maybe when there's storms out here. I'm going to try to see if I can get those a little tighter. So give me a sec. All right, I was able to strap them a little tighter. As you can see there, the loop is now smaller. It is still a little loose. As you can see, it's not going to be a perfect fit because it is for Universal, but I'm sure it will do the job. If we do have any issues going forward, like with storms or just it deteriorating a lot sooner than we would think, I'll make another video about it. But so far, it looks great. I think we're going to go ahead and keep it. Again, this item did come from BJ's. This is the Berkley Jensen Universal grill cover. Like I said, it was on special. It was $19.99, $5. I think instant discount at the register there. And it looks great. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Like, comment down below. Have you tested out this Universal? What did you think about it? Personally, do you shop at BJ's? Let me know. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.